very warm greetings to everyone gathered here. It's an honor to stand before y'all and share our experience on basic cosmetology. So basically, basic cosmetology is a study and practice of beauty care which enhance the person's appearance, hygiene, and confidence. Today we are presenting on farming, nails, and bridal makeup. Next, I would like to call Ms. Simila to continue our presentation.
Once again, good evening everyone. Today we are going to present on beautician skills, mainly focusing on farming, nail extension, and bridal makeup and hairstyle. First, we have the farming. Farm is the short form of the permanent wave. It's a chemical hair treatment which breaks the bones and to create a long-lasting curls volume from a single knot. So first, I would like to ask Ms. Putula to share some details that she had done on master television.
Good evening everyone. So today I am going to explain about the hair combing. As you all know that there are different types of hairstyle and combing is also one of them. And nowadays combing is becoming very popular and many people like it because it helps to create soft curls and waves. Not only that, it also adds volume to your hair and makes the hair look more attractive. And nowadays while doing combing, they all use safer chemicals that are less harmful to the hair. Because of that benefit, many people prefer combing to change their hairstyle and look more fashionable. Now I will explain the process of hair combing in a simple way. First, we select the roller. There are different sizes of roller. We select them depending on how curly the client wants the hair. After that, we wash the hair properly and apply the chemical lotion to the hair. Then rub the hair around the roller. Lastly, we use another solution called utilizer. This helps to set the curl properly and makes them to stay for a longer duration. After the hair treatment, it is very important for us to take care of our hair, otherwise curls will not stay for a long time. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, Sister Krishna, can you share your experience with Ms. Malani?
Thank you, Ms. Malani. What do you want here? Just look at me. What do you guys think of my new hairstyle?
Thank you. Next, we have a nail extension. Nail extension and length and style and variation, making them look more elegant and attractive. So, I would like to ask Ms. Devina to elaborate our work. Hello everyone. So, nail extension is added to your natural nails to make them look stronger, more stylish. In nail extension, there are mainly three types. First one is acrylic extension. Acrylic extension is made with powder and liquid, and it is also long-lasting as compared to the other nail extensions. Second one is gel extension. Gel extension is cured under the UV lamp, and it is also look very natural to your nails. And third one is polygel extension. Polygel extension is made with mixture of powder, acrylic and gel, and it is also easy to shape and buff them. All the nail extensions are last till 2 to 4 weeks. Now I will tell you the procedure of nail extension. Before starting off, we have to prep the nails and apply primer on the nails, followed by choosing the nail tips according to the client nail size. And after that, we have to buff them and give them a shape according to the client want and client suggestion. After that, we have to apply any extension that client has suggested us, and we have to give them a final art and final touch with the top coat. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Lily. Now, Sunil Verma, can you please share your experience with Ms. Lily?
Thank you, Ms. Tibetan. You make my nail look more elegant and beautiful. That I'm doing nail for the first time, and I feel different and great. Let me show my nail.
Thank you. Last, we have a bridal makeup. Bridal makeup and hairstyle is often seen as more than just getting ready. It's about creating a one-style look, which reflects both emotion and beauty, so extra to you.
Ms. Kamala, can you please share some details that you have done this year?
Hello everyone, here you can see that I have done a bridal look on her. As my maid Tibetan had already mentioned that wedding is a once in a lifetime moment, and bridal look is such type of look that is created on her wedding day, and it is usually heavier than a regular one, as you can see here. And the main purpose of doing a bridal look is to create and enhance her physical beauty so that it can look on her event day, photography and videography. So now I would like to explain about the different types of brushes that we use. And the process of makeup starts with the proper skin preparations by using moisturizer, cleansing and priming it. After that, foundation and concealer is used so that it can create a smooth base. After that, blush is used so that it can create a natural and warm look. After that, eyelashes is done and kajal and eyeliner are done. For eye makeup, and I match her eyeshadow with her traditional layers so that it can blend with the theme. And finally, for a lip, I use lipstick and lip liner. And finally, setting spray is used so that it can stay throughout the event. And for a hair, start with washing and drying it. After that, curling is done for the texture. And banana bumping is used for the making puff. And donut bun is used for making a bun. And finally, setting spray is used so that the hairstyle stays throughout the event. Thank you.
Thank you. Ms. Vidya, how do you do?
Thank you, Ms. Kamala, for doing my makeup. I am feeling beautiful and confident. You make me look the best version of myself. Let me show how I look.
Thank you. Now, again, I would like to call Ms. Nujalla for our thanking speech. Thank you. On behalf of all the youth training, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude towards everyone who supported us in this journey. This experience has always stayed with us near the future. Once again, thank you so much, everyone. Last but not the least, we have one more present by our classmates. Thank you.
Jalan tuanya Sidong ninam kinjare Jatsun tibong kitong